Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a birthday bunny. Are you ready?
Let's do this.
Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today my daughter Valentina is here with me. Vale, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
Today is a very special day because it's Valentina's birthday!
Yay!
Yeah. Valentina, how old are you now?
6.
6. You're turning 6. And so that's why we're gonna draw a birthday bunny for her because bunnies are one of her favorite animals, right? We're gonna start this picture in the center of the paper, okay? And we're gonna do a letter B. And then we're gonna do a line on the bottom of the letter B. That's gonna be the nose. Now we're gonna do the eyes and we're gonna just draw 2 oval shapes here next to the nose, like this. Good, perfect. The next thing we're gonna do is the head, and the head is big and round, right?
Huge. Big.
And so we're gonna go around, starting from the left eye. I'm gonna go around really slow, and I'm gonna close with the other side. Good job, perfect. Here, can I have it? Next, we're gonna do the ears, and we're gonna do it the side of the head so we can have room for the hat. So I'm gonna start here, and I'm gonna do 1, and then in the other side 2, like that.
I'm gonna do mine upside down. Scared last time I cut it. Oh.
Good, perfect. Now we're gonna do the birthday hat. So we're gonna just do a triangle that goes up and down. And on the top we're gonna do a circle. Okay?
Yeah, but it's kind of like a tree.
Oh God. Good job, Vale. Next we're gonna do the little front legs. And we're gonna do 2 U shapes. So I'm gonna start kind of like curve and a U shape. And then here right next to this one, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna go curve and then go back down. Up. Go back up.
Cheek. 1 and portrait.
Good job. I love your bunny. Now we're gonna do the back legs. He's sitting. So the back legs are gonna be 2 oval shapes next to this one. So first one here, I'm gonna do an oval shape. And then I'm doing another one here, an oval shape.
Okay. Well, you know why only see us?
Now we're gonna do the cake that he is sitting on. And we're gonna start from this leg. I'm gonna go down a little and I'm gonna start going 1, 2, 3, and 4 curves. Now we're gonna do the bottom of this cupcake and we're gonna go with a line down like this. And then on this side, I'm gonna go down. And now I wanna close these 2.
Yeah, that's really black.
Perfect. Now we're gonna put this black marker, black crayon away. We're gonna take the pink crayon and you can change this color if you want. So I'm gonna go and do the inside of the ears and I wanna color them with pink.
Make sure not to do it with the black.
Yeah, don't touch the black.
Markers? These
crayons are silky crayons and they smear the other colors when they touch each other.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna put some rosy cheeks here. I wanna put 1.
Is it my turn yet?
Yeah, 2. And the last thing, 1 second. The last thing, these paws. 1.
And don't forget the cupcake.
2. We're gonna do the cupcake in a minute.
Oh, that's a lot of pink.
Good job, Vale. Now we're gonna finish coloring our cupcake. This part of the video is gonna go a little faster, but remember, you can pause the video until you finished. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how our bunny turned out.
Yeah,
with the colors.
Yeah, your cupcake kind of looks like Halloweenish and mine kind of looks lightsy. But my birthday hat looks more Halloween.
Yeah, your cupcake looks like cotton candy. Do you think?
Yeah.
Yours is cotton candy. Mine is Halloweenish.
Yeah.
Yeah. So happy birthday, Valentina. We love you, and I hope you like this lesson. And you wanna tell a joke before we go?
Yeah. Why are your tickets so funny?
Why?
Because.
So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.